So, hello dear students, I am Shiv Kumar S. Ladde, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology, Shulingeshwar College of Pharmacy, Almala. Today we learn regarding biopsy of Digitalis. Already you know Digitalis is a herbal drug. It is a cardiac glycoside isolated or often from the Digitalis purpura. So, Digitalis, it can mainly containing digoxin, digitoxin. So these are the glycoside. So they are helpful for treat the congestive heart failure and also heart rhythm problems, atrial arrhythmia. So digitalis can increase the blood flow throughout the body and reduce the swelling in hands and ankles. So digitalis, it is mainly used in the treatment of congestive heart failure because the dialysis can causes the accumulations of the calcium in cardiac muscle. So that calcium is helpful for to cause the powerful contractions of the heart. So that was fail in the CHF. So due to that property of dialysis, it is the choice of the drug used for the treatment of congestive heart failure. Regarding principle, the potency of test sample was monitored or calculated by comparing with the standard preparation by determining the action on the cardiac muscle. Standard preparation and units. The standard preparation is a mixture of dried and powder digitalis leaves, that is 1 unit is equal to 76 mg, and preparations of extract, exact the amount of the powder is extracted with the dehydrated alcohol in a continuous extraction apparatus for 6 hours. The final extract should contain 10 ml per 10 gram of digitalis powder. It should be stored between 5 degrees centigrade to and minus 5 degree centigrade, or between minus 5 to plus 5 degree centigrade. Regarding the standard set sample extracts are diluted with normal saline in such a way that 1 gram of digitalis powder is diluted in 80 ml. Then final concentration become 125 12.5 mg per ml. So this dilution for standard and test sample extract, so they are helpful for the used in the biopsy of digitalis. So the first method regarding guinea pig method or endpoint method, you take the healthy guinea pig. So this is the guinea pig. Then so on the trachea you can isolate the jugular vein by removing the muscles above the veins. First you remove the skin, later on muscles is present, the muscle can isolate and expose the jugular vein, carotid artery, like that. Okay, so first you can isolate the jugular vein and cannulated with the venous cannula. So this is helpful for the administrations of digitalis during the experiments. And a pin is inserted on the apex of the heart because the movement of the pin up and down, it is the indications of the heartbeat. So with the help of the movement of the pin, those can inserted on the apex of the hearts of the guinea pig. So that is helpful for to observe the heartbeats. Okay, so next is the standard preparation is injected continuously through a venous cannula by increasing dose, and calculate the amount of standard preparation that is required to produce this effect is taken as the lethal dose. And the lethal dose of test sample is also determined in the similar way by using a minimum 6 guinea pigs of the same strains. The potency of test sample is calculated by comparing with the standard preparation. So this is the observation table. So here the 6 animals are considered for test preparation and or as well as standard preparation. There is no mandatory in each and every experiment you can conduct for the standard preparation. It is having the unique value throughout the world or in each and every. Only you can take those standard values and record the responses of a test preparation, then match and find out the unknown concentrations. Then second method regarding the biopsy of digitalis is a pigeon method. So here take the healthy pigeon, then they are anesthetized with the suitable anesthetic agent like ether. Then one side of the wing is dissected and it can expose the alar vein. So this alar vein they can supply the, they not supply, they carry the deaggregated blood from the wings, and it is cannulated by means of the venous cannula. Through the venous cannula, the various dilutions of the drug made in the nirmasulin is injected and note down the lethal dose where the heart is blocked in both cases, in the Guinea method as well as the pigeon method. So what dose it can block the heart, so that dose is compared with the standard preparation and found out the unknown concentration and is helpful for the formulation. So like that the digitalis can be biopsied by Guinea method and as well as the pigeon method. Simple method, you can isolate the that is the femoral vein, not femoral vein, jugular vein in Guinea pig and alar vein in pigeon method. It can cannulated by administrations of the drug in the increasing order. So then note down when the heart was blocked by simply putting the pin on the effects of the heart, its movement up and down, it indicates heart is beat. When the movement is stopped, it indicates heart can be arrested. So you can continuously make the infusion in pigeon, in Guinea pig. So note down what dose the heart was stopped. So that is the end point. Then later on, with the help of the standard concentration, you can calculate the effective dose of the test solution. Then it is for like that the digitalis can be biopsied. Thank you, dear students.